Hi to everybody. Here we are again meeting online. Well, really through YouTube. My name is Pedro, and I've been doing all the tutorials for you to better understand and better use and better manage Marsnet real estate platform. This video we will talk about social network, so interaction with the world. It's a powerful tool. Some people have not quite the complete knowledge of what this can do. Some people are afraid if things will go online to all over the world, if you have control on your comments and on your threads. And well, this tutorial is supposed to clarify all the doubts and really to see it happening live online. So, well, you better manage all your social thing. It's very, very important in nowadays. That's where you get to your public and you get things going concerning commercial and marketing worries. Okay, so in all our tutorial videos, we are used to use this mywebsite.com, which is fictitious. It's not online. It's a website that it's made on my local host machine. So really, for the social network interaction, it's no good because it's not on the World Wide Web. It's just lying here on my PC on my local host. So really, to do this tutorial and for you to see things happening on social networks, we need to go to a proper site. So we go to our website, which is on www.masnet.com. It's right here. So this is a live website. We've created a directory called demo, and right after demo we have three resources public can use to test and to see it working and so on and so on. So for Marsnet platform is coming on three business areas: the real estate business, the restaurants and takeaway food ordering, and the traditional regular online stores. So to talk about social network at the real estate business, real estate listing, we go to milesnet.com/demo/house. That's it. And here you got your MilesNet real estate platform installed. It's live. You can use it. You can go to the back office. You can do a login and see and try all the features. The only thing you can't do is change the database. So once you apply at the back office to do any change, MilesNet won't let you because this is for demo purpose, and we want everybody to use it on the same best initial conditions with the houses and the users and the images and everything that it's coming along with the installation pack. So really what we've got here, it's our MilesNet real estate platform, which is exactly the same thing. The source files from where we have do the installation are exactly the same. So from now on we won't need this mywebsite.com localhost, and we will concentrate on the live version of MilesNet real estate platform. So really, once you go to any house that it's listed on the website, you got two tools so you can interact with the rest of the world, with all the social networks that are around. Right below the picture, the main pictures of the house, the property, you've got all the social networks you can interact with. Besides this one showing, you got here the plus button, and well, you have, I think, 250 or 350 networks you can interact with. So we will choose Facebook since it's the most popular one. Maybe in the end we do a tweet. It's exactly the same. Mainly all social networks, they work in the same way. They present you, once you click on post button, either in Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, whatever, they show you well, a post that has a title, that has the first image of the house. It's this one here. that will be posted. This is the first one. And Facebook and all other social networks, they pick up a few lines of the description part, and they write it inside the post. So as I was saying, you've got two options to interact with social networks. This one, where you choose your network and you post your property, and here at the bottom, very end of the page, you got Facebook comments. This is an interaction that only works with Facebook, and it's a traditional thread comment. So you say something on your page, on your website, and you can choose if this will also appear on Facebook network or if it stays and lies here at the property page. We'll get back to this in the second part. So first thing, we are going to do a post on Facebook of this yellow wood property. Well, you just choose your social network, you choose Facebook, and you have to have an account on each social network. For you to interact, you have to have a proper account on that network. The great thing about Mars Natural Estate platform is that you don't have to go to that network. So if you have an account in, say, 10 social networks, you don't need to go to those by the browser to those 10 social networks. You can do 10 clicks, you can do 10 posts right from here, from your page, from your website, and using the tools that MarsNet Real Estate Platform offers to you to communicate with, 200 and something social networks. I've got here, we already made an account on Facebook, which is an individual account. We have our enterprise account, MilesNet, if you go to Facebook, but we also have a nice guy, we call it Miles, of course, and he is responsible for all the testing and to answer all your questions, to interact with you. You can chat with him on Facebook, you can post your questions, your doubts. He will be most happy to answer you and to interact with you. And he's got his Facebook account. So I have it somewhere around here. There you go. This is our little guy. So you already recognize, because we've been making a lot of tests, real live tests online. We do the password. That's it. And we log in. So if I didn't make any mistake, okay. You recognize this is a valid Facebook account. Here is the user, the Miles user. And as I told you, he picks up the first image, he picks up the name of the property, and he picks up his location and the number of bedrooms and the first lines of description, and prepares everything for you. So once you're logged, the only thing you have to do is post to Facebook, and that's it. So when this is finished, which is now, if now you log on to your Facebook account, you'll see the post you've just made without going to your Facebook. Okay, I was already logged, and there you are. So the first thing you see on Miles on your account timeline, it's the post you've just made from your website. Okay, here it's the image, everything. We didn't write anything at top. We could have written any sentence or whatever. If you go to here, now we are logged. We don't have to log in again. Okay, and we could have write something and post to Facebook, and you'll see. Of course, it would go also to there. So it is shared on the timeline as a sharing act. And if we go to the news feed, you'll see the first thing. It says just now, because that's what it was just now, that MilesNet, the user, shared a link, and here it is the link. If you click on the link, you will go to the exactly same page as you did the post from. So this and this are exactly the same pages. Okay, so that's the idea of posting. It's advertising your products, your real estate, your properties, to a social network. We did it on Facebook. We can do it on Google Plus, Twitter, Tumblr, wherever, Pinterest, whatever. So once the post is there on the social network, is like any other one. It's like if you've been coming here and saying something and then put an URL and then put an image and say post. It's exactly the same thing, only that if you have to do this 10, 20, 30 times, it's a little bit boring. So you can use your MarsNet platform and just with a click, well, actually 2 clicks, you choose the network. If you're logged in, you recognize, it does the post, and all you have to do is post to Facebook. Just 2 clicks, and you've got everything ready and done, just like if you were on the social network and do all the work of writing and copy, paste, choosing the images, whatever. So, this is the first part for you to interact socially. As I told you, share a property, share a post, and at the end of each MarsNet real estate platform property, you've got a comment area where you can do comments that will go or not. It depends if you choose here to also post on Facebook or you don't choose this option. So all you do here, first thing stays on the page, on the MarsNet. Remember, we are on our server, hopefully on your server one day once you buy the pack or you buy a user plan to use our platform. And once whatever you do here, hi to everybody. This is a post. This is a comment. Better, this is a thread. Started with a comment that will not go to Facebook social network because we didn't click here, also post on Facebook. So you do your comment. Any client of yours can do a comment to a property he sees, and well, here it says login to paste to post. We are already logged in, but since we didn't refresh the page, it doesn't know that. So we just do a refresh, and you'll see already our Miles avatar down here because yes, we are logged. It's very clear we are logged. That's it. We've got here the post. So we do our comments. We don't click on also post on Facebook, and we just post it, and that's it. The comment is posted on your, well, really now it's MilesNet website, but it will be your website. And because we didn't click on also post on Facebook, if you go to your account and you do refresh, you won't see nothing different, and the comment is not appearing either on your timeline or on your news feed. There's a lot of things going on, which is very good, but the first post that it's on, the first thing of Miles that it's on the news feed, it's the post we just did on the top part. Nothing else is here done by Miles. Okay, so we go back here and now we can do a second post, but we'll try and also post it on Facebook for you to see the differences. Really, what's going to happen is that this comment, this thread, will be seen as a common share on Facebook. So if you just let me explain this because this will be on Facebook. Hi to you all. Here I am again, but this time to start a thread that will go traveling around on Facebook social network. And why? Because I marked on the also post on Facebook check box. Remember, I'm doing all this at my web page and not at the Facebook pages. Awesome, don't you think? Okay, so let's just correct this, and we'll click on also post on Facebook. As you see, well, this clicking is not staying. If you take the focus out of also post on Facebook, this is not well really staying, because as Facebook analyzed from my previous profile, I did a comment and I didn't use also post on Facebook. So as he knows it's the same person, he really thinks I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not interested that my comments on MilesNet web page will go to Facebook. So all we have to do is just do a refresh. We take this out. Just to refresh. Sometimes we really have to log out and log in again if we want to change the type of post we are doing on our website. Let's see now how it goes. No, it doesn't go at all. Okay, so what we do, we get off, log out. Okay, now he doesn't knows who is refreshing the page, and hopefully it will ask for me to log in, and I can change the way I do my comments on this page, and that's it. Now you see that if you take the photos out, it's there. Okay, so we paste the phrase. This is with a little bit extra of spaces. Okay, just making it a little bit nicer. Okay, that's it, and we do a quick login to post. Okay, here is my email. Okay, email on MilesNet. Hopefully I will log to Facebook. I am, because my avatar have changed. I still have my also post on Facebook, and I do a post. Okay, so what happens now is that this thing that it's a normal thread, it will be regarded on Facebook as a real shared post, just like exactly the same as we did on top, except that if we did on top, it presents the post as a post, something he has done on his page. On this kind of comments that will appear on Facebook, he will comment something like comment on a link, so that people, when clicked on the link, they come to this page and they can see the comment. Let's check it out. So I'll go to Facebook. As we are already logged, this should come in. That's it. We go to our page, and as you see now, you've got a second post of the house, but here say MilesNet commented on a link. So it's not a share, it's not really a post, but it's a comment that MilesNet did somewhere. And if you click again on the image, you'll go to that place. And it's a thread. Really, it's not a share, and it's a thread. Well, the effect, you've got here exactly the same information, and if you click, you go again to the same page. So really, the effect is the same, but there's little difference. The main thing is for you to be sure that if you want, you can control the way you post your comments on MilesNet website. Hopefully later you buy the software, and your clients can be sure that if they don't check also post on Facebook, all the comments they make, they will never go to Facebook. So if we go to our newsfeed, you can also see now, because we did some tests later, we already comment on 3 links. And once you open the 3 links, you can see that if you open it, this will go to the exactly links of the page, which is again Yellowwood, the same page as this, the same page as this, and the same page here. Okay, we can close. There's a lot of Yellowwoods around here. Okay, close. So here he commented on a link, and here he shared a property. Really, the information is there, but it's a bit different. You can like, and you can comment. Nice. Okay. And on the links, you can also like, and you can also comment. And something like, wow, great property on Sintra. And really, it's a little bit different, but it's the same. Here, so if you go to your property, the comments you did on Facebook, they will stay on Facebook. They will not appear on the page. So remember, you did here these comments. Wow, great property on Sintra. You can do another one here. Very, very nice. So you're doing things on Facebook. The comment is here, but it doesn't affect at all your page. So you still only see the comments you've done on your page. Those comments I did on Facebook, they won't appear here. The same thing happens if you comment here a thread. So we go again to Yellowwood. I think we are on another property. Yes, see view. Okay. We go to Yellowwood. That's just the example we just been doing. Okay. So as you see, there's no comments to your comment. There's no comment to your thread, although you've made it at Facebook. You see here the comments, very, very nice. And the other one we did on Sintra. Wow, great property on Sintra. So, well, we should really correct this, sorry. Great property. And that things you did on Facebook, it won't go on your website. The same happens at the reverse way. So if you go to the page and if you comment something, you can like and you can reply. Really, it's a comment and say, this is a comment made at the Marsnet website, which will never travel around Facebook page. As you can see now, you don't have the option to choose, as you can do once you start a thread, if you will post it on Facebook or not. Why? Because all the replying, all the comments to comments, they will always stay at the website page, property page. They will never go to Facebook. As we just saw, once you comment something on the Facebook, those comments, those comments to threads, they will stay on Facebook. Just let's finish the test. Okay, reply. So on Yellowwood, I think that's where we are. Yes, on Yellowwood, on the comments, hi to you all, here I am again, that will go traveling around. So this thread was supposed to go on social network. We'll look for it and we will not see this comment. So the thread is, let's refresh. The thread is here. Here I think it's the same. I to Yolium again. And why? Because I marked on also Facebook. Oops. Because I marked. So this is really the thread we've launched on the website. And because it's a comment, but it was supposed to go to Facebook, Facebook shared it as a comment. And if you see, you can even see only the post. There's no, the reply we've made on the site, which is here. This is a comment made at Marsnet website, which will never travel around the Facebook page. It's not here at all. So as you see, things are separate. Once you start something, it's good to have publicity. So it's good. The threads go to Facebook, although you can control it and they will not go. But it's good policy if you let everything happen smooth, naturally, and to everybody. But once anyone comes here to comment the comments, to comment the threads, that will stay on the page. If somebody goes to Facebook or to any social network, and does comments, adds other pictures, adds text, whatever. Every conversation which goes after a comment or a thread is posted will stay on the place where it is done. We can also see it here on the news feed. Here is the link, and if you see the comments of this link, there's only the one we've made here on Facebook. Okay, so it's completely separate. Can be you won't have no problems about mixing up things, and some people are afraid once they do comments and then they do threads, they don't know anymore if they are commenting on Facebook or on website, or if both things are happening. There's no mixed here, no confusion, except once you start a thread, that if you also post on Facebook, it's exactly the same thing as sharing a post, sharing a property, sharing a page. Okay, I think that's all. We can close this, and we can just make a quick another social network like Twitter, for instance. It's exactly the same thing. You click on the social network, you got your name of your property, then you've got the link to this own page, and well, all you have to do is you also have to do a login, and here it's our enterprise name. We'll have the chance to show you our Twitter page. Okay, so that's it, as it is on Facebook. Now if we go to Twitter, on MazNet Twitter page, so twitter.com, yes, we are logged in, because we did have to log in to do our sharing, to do our post. So if we go to our profile, and that's it, here it is, the post. It was done by MouseNet, and it's Yellowwood T3 on Lisbon, and if you click on the URL, you're going again for Yellowwood page at MouseNet site, and you can see the comments. Everything works the same way. Of course, again, if you do any comments here on Twitter, for instance, we can pick up a nice image of the house. Twitter doesn't have that, unfortunately. Well, Twitter is for small things. It's not Facebook. It's more popular. It's more. Just have a shot at the first page. That's it. Okay. Here we are. Okay. We can put it there. We close. And here on Twitter, where are we? Yes. We can comment our thread and just add the image. It stays good. So the image is here. Okay, and say tweet. So from our website we did the tweet, and here, like in Facebook, we can come to the social network, either Facebook, either Twitter, wherever, and we can add up more images. We can discuss things with our friends publicly. We can do whatever we want. That what we do on the social networks after posting stays on social networks. What we comment on our page after first thread, after first comment, stays at the page, and it's only visible if people go to our website, go to the property page, and cannot be seen on any social network that the post was made to. This takes a little while because it's uploading the picture, and unfortunately my network is awful today. I don't know what's happening, but this is the second time I have to do this tutorial, because in the middle, a few minutes ago, the network really crashed and stopped, and well, it's getting really nasty. But maybe we'll come back a little bit later. Although I think that's all. Social network concerning, I have nothing more. Each property page has two tools of using social network interaction. The top one, which is for sharing your page, and the last one, which is to comment your page. And you can, oops, I clicked here on a link, and you can choose once you're commenting, you can choose if that comment is going to be seen at Facebook, or if it stays unseen on Facebook and only can be seen and comment on the page. So yes, that's it. I think that's all. We've just turned, so now if we refresh here, okay, and if we see the tweet, we can see our comment, which really it's the page, and can give it a like. Okay, that's it. If you go to the feed again, just like in Facebook, it's the news feed. You can see our nice tweet. So remember, this was made at the website. Just 2 clicks, no effort. If you're already logged in, just 2 clicks, one for the social network and the second one to post. And then we came here and we had a nice picture so that Twitter can be, well, more colorful, and you can draw more attention to your tweet. That's it. So we log out here, we log out at Facebook, and that's all. So you can reach us in oops, sorry, you can reach us in Facebook, in Twitter, as you see. You can reach us on YouTube. It's over there that we've got our all our tutorial videos. Just like this one will be there in a couple of minutes. And well, we have the normal regular communication channels like email and our website. You can use Miles. He's a nice chap. He's on Facebook, a very popular social network. So if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can go to the MilesNet page, the official enterprise page, or you can chat with this young man. He's very thoughtful and is always with an eye on social networks. I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're more clarified about concerning privacy policies on social networks, and that you can see now this is a very powerful and very quick tool to use once you want to spread the word and you want to show the world that you have nice properties, you have nice prices, you are a nice guy, and you want to make the business with everybody. That's all. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope seeing you on the next tutorial. Bye.